Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Notion for beginners, the all-in-one productivity app that helps you organize your life, study smarter, and work better. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by messy notes or scattered, scar- uh, scattered to-dos, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Notion is like a digital workspace where you can write, plan, and manage everything from daily tasks to big projects. Think of it as a mix of Google Docs, Trello, and Evernote, but all in one place. It's perfect for students, creators, and teams. Now head over to notion.com or notion.so and sign up for free. You can use Notion on the tab, desktop, or mobile app. Here's a quick tour. Sidebar. This is where uh, all your pages live. Top bar, access templates, share pages, and undo changes. Main page area. This is where you write, plan, and build your content. Let's make your first page. Click. Create a new page button from upper left corner. Name it Daily Planner. Now you are inside a blank page. Just start typing. It works like a document. Type slash to open the Notion command menu. Here you can add headings. Just type heading, then choose one from here, like heading 1. Then to-do list. Again, type slash to-do, then click to-do lists. Then bullets. Type bullet list or bullet button, quotes, images, and more. Notion has amazing templates to save you time. Click templates from the left sidebar and explore options like personal planner, plan your work week, reading list, cleaning, monthly planner, etc. Let's use the weekly agenda template and search here weekly agenda. Then click the free template. It gives you a ready-made page. You can customize it. Now the real magic, databases. They come in different views like table, great for tracking assignments, board like Trello, perfect for workflows, calendar, great for scheduling, gallery, visual project boards. Let's create a simple task table. Add columns for task name, due date, status, and priority. You can even filter or sort by deadline. Keep your workspace clean with linked pages and nesting. Drag one page into another to nest it. Use hard bracket to link one page inside another. Open a page like daily planner, then add new sub page or add new page in, and that's it. Create a home page with buttons to your planner, school notes, and goals. You will never lose track of anything. Want to collaborate? Notion makes it easy. Click on share button at the top right to invite people to a page. You can give view or edit access, add comments, or mention someone in Note. Work in real time like Google Docs. Just enter your friends or team members' email address, then hit invite. A few quick tips. Use dark mode. For dark mode, go to settings. Now find the preferences tab from the left bar, then appearance, then select use setting and click dark light. Create slash command for speed like table, back table like that. You can add page and search for page, and it will create a new page. Use the Notion mobile app for on the go notes, bookmark pages, or use the favorites bar for quick access. And that's your crash course on Notion. You now know how to write, organize, plan, and stay on top of your life with one powerful tool. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials or more productivity tips, and let me know your favorite Notion setup in the comments. Thanks for watching.